Kading kabashir kaiba kabalaklang bat bamdu ya kawina kedukan kabaheba kabadona West Kerwil District ketiga dukan kabadon ru hasor tura. Kani kejingjia kalajia kapor menstep akakan riu terik urisau. Kabala penjulor om duna ya kikat nyutli kedukan kentup ya kedukan bam jing bam harus surong kedukan di dawai kedukan di juti bat kedukan kibala shina kerpang kibadona senda jong katura bazar. Bat om pala bantip na kai kadaw kejing plu jong kani kedukan. Bat hakani kejingjia om syamladon kanu kejingjia kapasusi. Kidukan kibala syak takjur kibadon hasnda jong kayo GHADC batura supermarket. Kibor kiba pishar benia ahlor kani kejingjia kilapit benia bahabat kilayo iru ya kejing he jong kejing julor. Kebawan raru ya kejing dunong kebakrau ya kitrai jong kate kedukan.
Close to 17 shops were damaged after a massive fire broke out at Tura Bazaar in Meghalaya's West Garo Hills district early on October 16 morning. The fire broke out at around 2 a.m. near GHADC Market Complex and Tura Supermarket and engulfed a fast food joint, a pharmacy, a shoe store and nearby makeshift shops. A total of 5 fire tenders, including reinforcements from the Rongam Fire Department, rushed to the spot. It took firefighters nearly 4 hours to completely douse the fire. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported and the extent of the damages is currently being assessed. Although the cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, it is suspected that the inferno may have been caused by a short circuit.